Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online money-making in 2023. As we move forward into the year, more and more people are looking towards the online space to make some extra cash, or even kickstart their own digital ventures. But let's be real, it can be a bit overwhelming to figure out which platforms are actually legit and worth your time. That's where I come in. I've compiled a list of some awesome websites that are highly regarded for helping you rake in those online earnings. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got Speechify.com, a game changer for content creators. If you're into podcasts, YouTube, or just love audio content, then this website is an awesome choice for you. It takes written text and transforms it into amazing audio content. Perfect for narrating books, articles, and documents. Just sign up for a free account, pop in your text, and watch Speechify.com work its magic. Now, onto Teachable.com. If you're a pro in a specific field, this is your chance to shine. Teachable lets you create and sell your own online courses. Their user-friendly course builder makes it a breeze to put together your content and share your expertise with the world. Set your course fee, and Teachable takes care of everything from transactions to delivering your course materials. Next in line is user testing. This one's a cool gig. Get paid for testing websites. Spend around 20 minutes giving feedback and earn up to $10 per test. If you're looking for a straightforward way to earn online, usertesting.com is worth checking out. Ever heard of TaskRabbit? It's where people who need help with various tasks meet folks with the right skills. Whether it's cleaning, moving, or handyman services, TaskRabbit's got you covered. You set your rates and pick the tasks you want to tackle. It's a flexible way to earn some extra cash on the side. Now, let's talk about homestyler.com. This platform is all about 3D design. In the past, pros charged big bucks for this kind of work, but not anymore. With homestyler.com, you can create 3D designs for free. And here's the kicker, you can use these designs to make money on platforms like Fiverr. Now we have medium.com, the place to turn your writing skills into cold hard cash. With millions of monthly readers, medium.com is a hub for writers. Share your articles, get more readers, and earn money through read time and referrals. It's a bit more competitive since you have to apply and get accepted, but the potential rewards are worth it. Veed.io is up next. If you're into video creation, this one's for you. Veed.io combines AI and creativity for amazing videos. You can even have different accents narrate your text, British, American, you name it. Best part? Your first video is free, and there's no need to worry about expensive voice actors. Now we have GigWalk, it's about getting paid for small tasks. It could be anything from taking photos of businesses to testing out apps. The pay varies, but it's a cool way to make some pocket money on your own schedule. Now, let's break a sweat with Sweatcoin. This app rewards you for staying active. As you walk, you earn Sweatcoins, which can be used for various rewards. So, not only are you getting healthier, but you're also getting a little extra something in your wallet. Last but not least, we have Respondent. If you're up for sharing your knowledge and experiences, this one's a gem. Unlike other platforms, Respondent pays quite handsomely. We're talking anywhere from $100 to $750 per hour for research studies. Just sign up with a professional email. Match your interests and get ready to contribute your insights. And there you have it. The online income landscape in 2023 is teeming with hidden opportunities. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned online explorer, these secret websites could be your ticket to financial growth. Not only can you earn some extra bucks, but you might also pick up new skills, unleash your creativity, and connect with like-minded individuals in the vast world of online jobs. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, happy online earning.